What attracted me to Welsh Water was the fact that I wanted to get into engineering. Then I came across the Welsh Water apprenticeship and realised that that was kind of everything I was looking for in a job. Outside of work, I play roller derby for a local team called the Tiger Bay Brawlers. And that's kind of brought a confidence in myself, in both my physical and mental ability. My role is ICA Apprentice, which stands for Instrumentation, Automation and Control. It's pretty awesome. I'm not stuck in an office, I get to be outside, I get to see some really beautiful locations, and it's just constantly different and always interesting. It's a really supportive environment. My mentor, who I spend most of my days with, is really great. If ever I've got any questions I need to ask, he's always got the answers. He's really supportive. If I ever need help with my college work, he's always ready to help me with that too.
I was born in Australia, out in the desert. What attracted me to Welsh Water was the chance to do a graduate management program, which is one of the few of its kind in the UK water industry. It gives me a chance to really develop into a leader and manager. So the graduate scheme lasts for 2 years. I'm almost at the end, and I hope to go into a management position, if not immediately, then very soon. There's such a good work-life balance at Welsh Water that it means I can go and do anything from yoga to fitness routines, Tough Mudders. I would absolutely recommend the graduate scheme to other people. It's something I've done actively because it's been such an excellent development experience, and there's so many opportunities at the end of it.
After working for the Red Cross for a number of years and seeing the centrality and the significance of water, I really wanted to develop this interest further. I then returned to study my Masters in Water Security and Agricultural Land Management, which brought me perfectly onto Welsh Water's graduate scheme. Outside of work, I'm a beekeeper. They take up a lot of my time. I'm also a really keen cyclist. I'm a graduate on the wastewater stream. We're working on a range of energy optimisation projects, which means I'm able to get out and about onto sites. I'm meeting a huge range of people, and I'm really getting to experience all sides of this wonderful business. Welsh Water's not-for-profit status is really significant to me. It gives us extra pride in the work we do, and we know that rather than shareholders, our customers and the environment are our top priority.
I'm 23, originally from Cardiff, but now living in Trelewis. So I have 2 dogs called Tag and Trev. They keep me entertained. I also play football every Tuesday. I'm probably not the best. Really, I'm a rugby player. Look to put in a hit in when I can. So I'm on an apprenticeship scheme. Welsh Water have paid for any kind of training I need. So it's good for me because I'm training and learning whilst being on a decent wage to support myself. To be honest, I don't see myself leaving Welsh Water because they're a good company to work for. It's the perfect setup for me. Hopefully I'll be with them for a long time.